Wait, this isn't just foam on a wall. This is how Germany builds houses that trap heat so well, many barely need heating in winter. No bricks, no wet mortar, just insulation panels and precise engineering. The system is called EDEX, and it covers the exterior like a thermal shell around the entire house. Instead of filling insulation inside the walls, they protect the building from the outside first. Notice how exact every panel is placed. Every edge and joint has to line up perfectly. That stops thermal bridges, so indoor heat or cool air can't leak out. Worried about strong winds? After positioning the foam, they secure it with heavy-duty anchors driven deep into the wall. Then the surface is sanded until completely level, because even tiny imperfections are not accepted. Next comes an important layer, fiberglass mesh pressed into the coating to prevent future cracks. After that, the final render is applied, smooth like icing, yet waterproof, fire-resistant, and highly durable. The finished result is a quieter, tightly sealed home that can dramatically lower energy bills.